I like to say a few words on today's important occasion. As you know that today all over India, we observe today's day as a Children's Day. That is the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was born on 14 November 1889, who was called as a Chacha by our children.
আমার মতো তারাও কিন্তু এটা দারুণভাবে করতে পারে। আমি বাজার থেকে 1.5 কিলো চিকেন নিয়েছি। চিকেনগুলো ভালো করে ধুয়ে আদা রসুনের পেস্ট দিই।
So, why do we call Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as our Chacha? He was the pioneer. He was a legendary figure who loved every children. He wants children to be grown. Children are like flowers in the garden. And you know that the flowers are very, very beautiful. And everybody like flower. And children are same too, where you are liked by everybody. He first told that students of today, leaders of tomorrow. Today you children are students and one day will become leader. When you are nourished properly, when you are taken care properly, one day will become doctor, one day become engineer, you will become philosopher, one day you will become a great person of our nation and will work for the nation and the society as a whole. So my dear students, here I don't like to give a very long speech, but only a few words that which will try to motivate you. Our teachers are anytime they are ready to or eager to help you all. Some of the students will be starting from LKG and today you have reached up to class 12. Some of the students you come from class 8, 7, 6 and today you are still continuing your studies and keeping in your aim, keeping your dream that one day you will become the good man. And you are guided by the teachers, you are guided by the parents. When you are admitted or when you take admission in LKG, you don't know even your name. You don't know even how to write. Even you don't know how to read. You come for the first day and you start crying. Again you continue for another 1 or 2 weeks and later on slowly you become familiar with your teachers. Where teacher catch your finger, where teacher guide you, and why they guide you? So that you all children in one day, when nourished properly, when you are taught properly, with a good moral behavior, with a good character, you know how to read, you know how to write, then one day surely after passing class 12 or class 10 from this institution, you will be taking admission in the good colleges and you will choose your aim. One day you will become doctor, one day you will become engineer, and that will be helpful for the society. Being a principal of the institution, what I want actually all the students to be a perfect human being at the first time. I want all the students to be challenging yourself. I want no students to be the failure from this institution. So I want every student to read properly, every student to be guided properly by our teachers, so that in near future you will become a good person. In near future, so that you become an established person. That is our dream. And we are working for it. We teachers give you enough effort. We teachers scold you. We teachers give you punishment. We teachers do this and that for you all. But the thing is that keeping all this inside our heart, all this inside our mind, we like to build up you. We like to focus our students. Whatever we have, we like to give you all. And there is no other intention of our teachers, but you students, some are unable to follow. You know the student, this society, This world is full of challenges. Nobody can escape from the challenges. One will become lazy, one will become idle, one will become workless. You will not respected or regarded by anybody in this society. So this is the ground where you are getting trained. This is the ground where you are learning. Why? For a future establishment, for yourself. And that is what we want. And today, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, we have to remember him. He loved the children. He loved the children. He wants children to grow up. He wants children to nourish properly. That is the mind. That is the work. That is he wants the children, that every children develop in the society and work for the nation. You too have to do that. You too have to do that. You have to be a good person. You have to study nicely. When you study nicely, when you choose your career, when you become success, then surely one day you will become a good person. And we may meet you sometimes. You are becoming doctor. You have become the engineer. We have become the lawyer. You have become a good or great businessman. We'll meet you one day. When that time you may become old. When your teachers may become old. But that time you have to remember that one day our teacher, one day our sir, one day our madam, one day our miss who took our class and they were guiding us. All these things you have to remember. Still now I remember. Still now I remember our teacher, how they guided us. And because of today, I am here the principal of this institution. So students, it's a very happy moment. But I told you very morning itself, that actually today's Children Day, we don't want to give punishment. Today some of the children are outside. Let them be outside because they don't like to hear my voice. As soon as it was said that principal sir is going to give speech, you were outside. Good. Only dance, only singing. This is not the way to learn. Yes, we need enjoyment. We want students to be all-round development. Not only in the education field, but the other cultural activities. That means that nobody will give speech, nobody will say something about today's important occasion. Where is it? What is the meaning of that observing the program? What is the meaning of that? Without knowing what is the importance of Children's Day, without knowing what is the significance of Children's Day, you are just enjoying the dancing. This is not. I told you, today you are shouting here. All outside people are hearing. Today they will not say you bad. Today they will say me only bad. Principal, this principal is very careless. This principal is indisciplined nowadays. He is leaving all the students. And one day will become bad. Responsible will be I. Because principal, he has made very loose this institution. And the people will say me only. And you will regard me afterwards. For your regret that today I was not punished, today principal was not strict, because of that I am bad today. You will say. I also remember I got punishment. But today I like our teachers. Because of their punishment only, today I am here. I don't say that I am success. I am very successful person. I will not say this. But today I am the educated person. I have passed my post-graduation because of our teachers' effort. I have learned from them what is actually the manners. I have learned from them what actually a person's behavior must be. And today I am here. So my dear students, so program is program. Program will come and go. But from program, what you are learning? What are the outcomes? What are the outcomes you are getting from this program? That is the very important. Program will be there. Today program is not that much beautiful. The program is not that much extraordinary. But from program, what you are learning? Why you are not showing your talent? Today only dancing, today only singing is not a talent. Why you are not coming forward and saying something about today's Importance Day? Why not saying about something about your journey that you have started from the LKG and today up to class 12 we have reached? Why you are not saying about the future, that what you are going to happen, what you are going to become, what you are going to do? So all these things, and it is the platform we are giving you to build up your body language. It is a platform we are giving you to train up. Not that you are read in this institution and you are becoming coward. Today you don't know speak a few lines. Today you don't know what is a grammar. Today you don't know how to face the public. So we are not teaching this. You are learning, but you are not properly learning. So My dear students, I like to say, the students, this world is again and again, I like to say, this world is very, 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 very tough now. It is very tough. It is very tough, I say you. You have to take part in challenges, otherwise you will be uprooted. You will become invisible from this world. So number one important aspect or the perspectives of the student must be to study hard and so to work hard, to be disciplined, to build a foundation. If your foundation is not strong, then you will fall down. Today, you know the mountain. We have seen that Kanchenjunga mountain. You have seen the Mount Everest. Height of Mount Everest is how much? 8,814 meter. You see that 8,814 meter up, but down is 3 times inside the earth, inside the soil. Understood? So this is what foundation course you are learning very nicely. Otherwise today the mountain could have fallen down because my mountain is very tall, very high. But today why not falling down? Because how much high the mountain is? More than 3 times down it has been there. My dear students, you have to build a foundation. So today is very, very happy moment actually. That is you enjoy, you must make happy. But cooperation with discipline. So at last, I like to thank our teachers and all the students who are present here with an important dance program, and all the students will take part in saying these few words. I conclude my speech. Thank you.